Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry IGCSE. Start by building a strong foundation in basic principles. Focus on understanding the unique bonding characteristics of carbon and the common functional groups. Mastering the systematic naming of compounds, known as EUPAC nomenclature, is crucial. Practice drawing different types of structural formulas to visualize molecular structures effectively. Next, delve into the world of organic reactions. Understand the different categories of reactions, such as substitution, addition, and elimination. Pay close attention to the step-by-step mechanisms that explain how these reactions occur. Consistent practice in predicting reaction outcomes and identifying necessary reagents will solidify your understanding. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing specific reactions and their conditions. Explore the concept of isomerism, distinguishing between structural, geometric, and optical isomers. Understanding how molecules with the same formula can have different arrangements is key. Connect the theoretical concepts to real-world applications, like polymers or pharmaceuticals, to make learning more engaging. Regularly solving past examination papers is essential for applying your knowledge and identifying areas for improvement. Finally, develop an effective revision strategy. Condense your notes into clear, concise summaries and create mind maps to visualize connections between topics. Regularly revisit areas you find difficult to ensure long-term retention. Practice under time conditions with mock exams to improve your speed and accuracy. This comprehensive approach will prepare you thoroughly for your IGCSE organic chemistry examination.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.